Head lice are small wingless parasites that reside only on human scalp and thrive on human blood. They make your scalp itchy. Head lice are easy to remove, but their eggs called nits stick around stubbornly on the scalp. When we discuss removing lice, we refer to getting rid of lice and nits together. Apple cider vinegar and many other home remedies have anecdotal success to kill lice, but there is not much research work available on it. Does it mean you shouldn't try it? No, it simply means that apple cider vinegar is not a scientifically validated remedy for lice, but it works well according to many who have used it. So, let's now understand how to use apple cider vinegar for getting rid of lice and nits. Head lice, dead or alive, can be combed out, but nits remain stuck to the bottom of the hair shaft on the scalp. Apple cider vinegar helps to loosen them up so that they can be killed and combed out. Take 1 cup of apple cider vinegar and dilute it with equal amounts of water. Massage your scalp with this diluted vinegar and leave it there for 30 minutes or until the hair becomes dry. This will loosen some nits. Now apply coconut oil or petroleum jelly on the roots of hair shafts and scalp. This will suffocate nits to death. Put a shower cap to cover your head and let the coconut oil or petroleum jelly stay for 8 hours. Shampoo your hair and comb the nits out with special lice removal combs. You can get these combs online. Links are given in the description box for your ready reference. You may have to try this out 2 to 3 times a week until your scalp is head lice and nits free. Remember, it is normal for your head to feel more itchy when you use apple cider vinegar. So in the end, it is apparent that the basic objective to use apple cider vinegar is to loosen the nits and then suffocate them to kill with a covering of coconut oil, petroleum jelly or other products. It generally works well in most cases but may not work in some stubborn cases. In that case, try other remedies or consult a doctor to get rid of head lice and nits. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.